We're here with the Turbojet tonight, Cessna Citation 2. Landing gear, retracts, lights, all that good stuff. Dead calm conditions, get a shot of the flag, something we've been desperately wanting for many, many moons. We'll probably just take off, go ahead and double check our flight surfaces. Already did our flight test on, or flight checks on everything else, stabilization wise. Okay. Throttle cuts off. Take off flaps off. Oh, that's so cool. Did you see the dust pile come up?
No.
Okay, we'll come by for a pass here. That is so smooth right now. It's just crazy. There's like no wind. It's weird. Like, it's just weird, man. I can't fathom it being this calm. That was cool. Hannah trying to be part of the YouTube world there.
It's definitely hard to see in the sun.
Oh yeah. Let's come in for a slow pass, guys. You gotta see the wide flight envelope this thing has. Full flaps. Can't do that with my other plane that I'm gonna fly here in a few minutes. I don't think we have to worry about gear coming down tonight, huh?
Finally.
It's going to be easy. I just kind of want to land a few times, but let's get the crap out of kids here.
But aren't paying attention. They're not paying attention.
I know. I don't want to like hit the kids, but I do want to scare them, so let's do that. Might go through some turbulence there. The air handler. You like that, Andrew? Do a stall turn here. Just go through time. I move my body a little bit here. Got about a minute 50 here. Might get into this main runway, hon.
Okay.
How's gear look like?
Yeah, I can see them all.
They are?
Yep.
What an easy landing. I think you even worked at it. You got a minute 9 left. Wish they were all that uneventful. Look at the wheel. The front wheel's not moving. See the front wheel? It's just sitting still. Oh, that's hilarious. So as I was landing, I wonder if I wore a flat spot in there. No, I didn't. I think the foam just slid instead of the whole thing. See, I painted this last night. There it goes. It broke free now. So I think my lock must have been holding onto it. That's fine. I got 34 seconds left. So I was taxiing. Yeah, there. The wheel's kind of biting here and there. Let's go ahead and get the new one up, hon.
You ready for me to stop it?
Yeah.